back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious Crunchwrap. If you can't head out to Taco Bell, we'll bring Taco Bell to you. I'm gonna make one original Crunchwrap, and the second one we're gonna do with flaming hot Cheetos. All right, if you wanna know how I make this recipe, just stay with me and let's get started. If you wanna use the recipe with the hot Cheetos, a pound of ground beef, half of an onion, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of accent. You're also gonna need 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. If you like it hot, you can add this. If you don't, then you don't have to. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of this fajita seasoning. You're also gonna need some sour cream, some beans, either made or in a can. You'll need the burrito-sized tortillas, and you're gonna need tostadas. You'll need some cheese. I'm gonna use some queso quesadilla and some sharp. And you're also gonna need, since we're going Taco Bell style, we're gonna need some Taco Bell. They didn't have the fire, which we like, but I have some leftover fire. I'm also gonna use some salsa con queso. It's like a chili con queso, and this came from Walmart, but you can use whatever brand you have, okay? This is super easy to make. Let's go ahead and get to it. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm just gonna continue cutting my onions. You just wanna get them kind of fine, the best you can. Put that over in a bowl. This is a little bit different. We're gonna add your meat to your onion. Gonna add in your fajita seasoning, chili powders. I'll just go ahead and mix all this together. And right now you wanna go ahead and start preheating your skillet. You want it to be super hot. All right, just have everything well mixed. Okay, let me wash up. All right, we're just threw the meat right in. We're just gonna wait till he browns. So like every minute, just come and turn them over. I have them on a medium-high heat. So go ahead and let them cook up, and then we'll be back in just a little bit. All right, it's been 5 minutes, so we're just gonna stir him up. It looks like he's already been browned, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread him out again, and he's got a little bit of liquid on the bottom. This is a lean cut of ground beef, so if you have extra fat, just go ahead and take it out. And what you do is just grab this way, and whatever floats, just pick it up with the spoon and just throw it out. But this way, we're gonna spread him out, and right when it looks like he's cooked, leave him there 5 more minutes on a medium high. Okay? See you back. It's been 5 minutes, so we're just gonna stir him up. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. I'm just gonna make my son with the hot chips, so yeah, that's good. You don't want to disintegrate him. You just want to give him a quick crack, okay? Because you still want to know what he is. Here we go. So just like that, okay? Let's go and check on the meat. This is exactly what we want. You kind of stuck to the bottom a little bit. That's what we want. Okay, I'm gonna put him over in a bowl. All right, so I just gave it a quick rinse, this pan. You don't have to wash it all the way down. Just make sure you get the remnants of the taco off. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in here, and then we're gonna start on the wraps. All right, you wanna get your comal or your pan on number 5. Let it get nice and hot, and we'll start assembling our wraps. All right, so with the beans, we're just gonna go about the size of the tostada, okay? Just like that. Okay, then you'll put some cheese. You'll put some meat. I'm gonna press them down into the beans, okay? There we go. I got the fire sauce here. So I'll just spread it around this way. You'll get a tostada shell and just put it right on top. If he breaks, he's good, he's okay. You'll get the sour cream. Just gonna put it everywhere on the tostada itself. Yipers, okay? Now on that is where I'm gonna put the hot Cheetos. And the reason why I don't want him too big, because I don't want him to puncture the tortilla. So we're just gonna put him this way. All right, now we're gonna put the salsa con queso. Just make sure it's well mixed. Okay, now I'm gonna do the queso quesadilla. Just on top of where the tostada is. All right, so now this is the fun part. You're just gonna fold them this way, fold them this way, fold them this way, this way. Okay. This way, and now you're gonna fold it up, okay? And that's all gonna melt. So we're gonna take them over to the fire. Here we go. Just make sure he's closed just like that. When he goes down, he'll finish cooking. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of spray. You can put oil if you want to. Okay, here we go. You can feel the bottom that it's cooking, okay? Before you pick them up, you want him to be toasty on the bottom. So you're gonna leave them there about a minute. I'm gonna put my timer on, and then you can pick them up and check it, okay? So just move them around this way. And the timer went off, so then we'll come back this way. We'll turn them over. That's what we want. Okay, so we're gonna leave this one here for another 30 seconds as well on medium-high. Just don't forget about him, okay? You wanna come check him periodically. All right, I'll do another one with you. Okay, so we'll put your beans here. Just visualize again that you have a tostada down here, okay? Okay, and then you wanna add some cheese. You wanna add some beef. Then you'll add some fire on whatever kind of salsa you like. You do your tostada. And this part, if you want to put tomatoes or whatever, you can do that. Do the quesadilla cheese. You do the chile con queso. And this is for my honey, so if you want to add some more meat, you can. You just wrap them. All right, and I've got them over here. So this is the one that I just put down. Gonna check him. Nope, he still needs more. So it's pretty. Okay, so you want to put him against the wall of the pan so he can heat up on the sides as well. Okay, flip him over. Pretty. This guy's still working. Alrighty, and that's it. And now for the best part, the taste test. That is so delicious. The only difference is, my son told me, is there's more meat in this one, but it's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours. Bye.
Y con tus labios rosados yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento